Good morning, Bastien Mahé from BVN Real Estate here. I wanted to show you the French Boulangerie. I like this place because I consume a lot and buy my bread here. So it's nowadays very popular and you have more and more customers. It was hard for them when they start, and now actually it's hard to get bread. It means you have to almost book it the day before to be sure to have your bread. So which bread I like there, we are going to see then. I like the baguette, and I like they have also a second big baguette, this bread. This one is 80 cords, it's crusty, well cooked and tender inside, white, it's amazing bread. And actually compared to what you can get in town, I would say it's the only bread, so they have no competitors here for you. Waiting by those guys to leave, we're gonna see my neighbors, Bagels and Bakes. So it's more like a vegan and nature's area. They opened less than a month ago. So what did I bought from them? I bought some cookies and some brownies. Some matcha tea. Here's some fresh meal. And here, so what do they have? Triple chocolates. They have a vegan peanut butter, raw cookie bars. They have Dill's pickle dip. They have a vegan chia pudding. This one is excellent. Some different things. Here on dry, what I just bought, I bought those cookies and I will try those brownies. I will tell you on my comments how good are that. So friendly personnel actually say hi and was available for me on Smiley. So this one was very good. Here I see some products, some clothes, there is also some tea. I tried before this Catura tea. So it's infusion tea made with coffee fruits. And here a small table if you want to have. Okay, let's see if this we have space to get in this French bakery. Ah no, they are still the people. Wow, okay. So Sandrine is in under control. We get in quickly even if there is customers. Who I like him is the baker, Raphael, because he loves his job. So they installed here their workshop. So the bread is made on the same place they sell it. It means it's fresh, just made from the day. The bread I bought is hot. So here you have the boule, the famous baguette. I like the pain de campagne and also the pain intégral. This one is delicious. What my kids like, it's the chocolate bread. Those one are the one my kids love. Okay, see you and come again please to visit this boulangerie because it's an excellent place.